Why does your scanner show the P20E8 engine code? What does it mean? P20E8 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant pressure too low. This engine code indicates that the DEF pump reports insufficient performance for more than a threshold time. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty reductant pump, clogged reductant injector, low DEF fluid level, leaks in the DEF lines, malfunctioning reductant heater element, defective reductant pressure sensor, electrical problems, contaminated DEF, software issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in European diesel vehicles. It's particularly common in Volkswagen Group cars like Audi, Volkswagen, and Skoda, as well as in Peugeot, Citroën, and Opel models, and also in some Mercedes-Benz and BMW diesels. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.